You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay, but you won't take this thing out of this verse before I say. Cause then no way I'ma let you stop me from causing meme. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So fuck the world, feed it beans. It gets stopped. If it's stopping me, I'ma be what I set up to be. Without a doubt, undoubtedly. All those who look down on me, I'm tearing down his balcony. No if Jordan Burton tried to ask him why or how can he. From Infinity down to that Lushy Labs album, he's still cheating. Whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out of his shit, he bows out of him, whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a FU for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the art, he got the art to pull his dick from the dirt. And fuck the whole universe. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to take a stand, to take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. We walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Let you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road. Okay, quit playing with the system and shit and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to run this verse in a rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said he was king, you lied to your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, getting captain. To the fans, I'll never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, that last relapse, CDOZ, perhaps I ran them accent into the ground. Relax, I ain't going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back, click, clack, blow. Cause I ain't playing around. There's a game called Circle and I don't know how. I'm way too up to back down. But I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had it mapped out, but I guess this fucking black cloud still follows me around. But it's time to exercise the demon. Doing jumping jacks, I'm not afraid to take a stand, Everybody, come take my hand. We walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Let you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road. And I just can't keep living this way. So starting today, I'm breaking out of this cage. I'm standing up, I'ma face my demons. I'm manning up, I'ma hold my down. I've had enough, now I'm so fed up. Time to put my life back together right now. It was my decision to get clean. I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you. So I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through. And don't even realize what you did. Believe me, I've been through the ringer. But they can do little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye. I feel like the king of my world. Haters can make like beast with no fingers and drop dead. No more beef flingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this roof like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single shingle on it, cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the club or the corner pub and leave the whole liquor counter up, cause I'm raising the bar. I shoot for the moon, but I'm too busy gauging a start. I feel amazing and I'm not afraid to take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. We walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Let you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road.